Hello, a good day my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video explaining Army of Crypto and the Onixcoin Blockchain ecosystem. We're going to be talking about how the Onix coin is going to be flowing, the uses it's going to have, and also the utility of the Hertz token. We're going to be talking about how it's going to be used in the game and how it can be used out of the game. So basically guys, this is one of the unique projects we have out there when it comes to blockchain gaming. Most gaming projects, they have to be subsidized, or you need to get funding for or sponsorship from people to maintain the economy, or basically you'll fall in the same trap as Axie Infinity, where you'll be depending on new players to sustain the price, as it'll be difficult to subsidize and get subsidies from sponsors and donators for long-term success for our project. So guys, we're going to be talking about that solution that Onixcoin Blockchain has put in place to create a stable blockchain for gaming for the future for all independent games. So basically guys, let's start here of the basic ecosystem for the Onix blockchain and the Army of Crypto game, the first game. And basically this chart could be used for any game that will be deployed or integrated on Onixcoin blockchain. So bear in mind we'll be using Army of Crypto as an example, but bear in mind this will be for any and every game that will be on the on the blockchain. We'll be able to access the same utility. So you can replace the AOC here, put your game here, and you'll have the same. As you see, we have future games here. So let's explain the chart now. So you see the AOC game. In the game, while playing the game, you have play to earn features, and you'll be earning the Hertz token, which will be the local token, native token of the Army of Crypto game. And while earning this token, you'll be able to swap this Hertz token for Onix, whereas you can purchase various things on the Onix ecosystem with the Onix coin. So basically the Hertz token will be, we will call the in-game currency for the Army of Crypto game. So basically you'll be earning the Hertz token, and the Hertz token will have a price. I don't know if it'll be pegged or not. I'll have to check and see the tokenomics of the Army of Crypto development team. But each game will have its own tokenomics deployed. But the Onix for sure will have its own price, and I'm certain the Hertz will also fluctuate, so it will also be based on market price. But after the swap, you will be able to purchase NFTs on the Onix marketplace using Onix. You'll also be able to make trades, and each transaction fee on the blockchain will be using gas fees, and the gas fees will be paid also in Onix. So this is another reason that you need to hold Onix, because every transaction, if you're transferring from one game to the next, you still need to use Onix as the gas to make that transaction, even if you're sending an asset, an NFT asset from AOC to, let's say, another game that is developed that integrates with AOC, and you want to swap assets. Even if there's no money involved, the transaction itself, of course, you'll have to pay gas, and that gas fee will be paid in Onix. So that's another utility for the Onix token. Also, you can use the Onix token to access the blockchain financial peer-to-peer exchange. So you can swap your Onix for any other top crypto like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of the major crypto, even Dogecoin and the other ones. So it's a peer-to-peer exchange. And also this peer-to-peer exchange is unique, guys. Let's think about, in America we have something called Craigslist. So Craigslist is something where you can post something on the marketplace in your area if you live in, for example, Houston, and people list their PlayStation, for example, on Craigslist. So everyone in your geolocation will get that notification, or you get to see that listing of that PlayStation for sale, and you can either purchase it, or some people do free. Some people have many different ways you do the transaction. Some people do swaps on Craigslist. So this exchange is similar to that. The only difference is you'll be able to purchase real world assets using the Onix coin. So this is the very, very important for you to note, guys. The Onix coin will be able to purchase real world assets. You can be purchasing deals from the internet, for example, travel deals, a discount on fee for a flight to Canada. You can get, for example, somebody lists some furniture online in your area. You can purchase it on Onix, because the ads will be incorporated into the AOC game. The next slide I'm going to show you, we're going to get deeper into that, but I just give you an idea. Picture Craigslist, but with the functionality where you can buy stuff with Onix. So it'll be using geolocation and see where your country is and where you're located, and everyone that's listed stuff on the marketplace from your location you will see the ads come on your screen for you to purchase if you want, or you can just close it off, or you can just purchase and it will go to your shopping cart. And the other feature for the Onix coin, as you can see here, is staking. You can currently stake your Onix coin and earn roughly between 20 and 30% right now. For the last few months, it was between those two numbers, between 20 and 30% APY. It was, as more people join the staking pool, the rewards will fall. So just bear that in mind. And right now is the best time to start staking, because it's still early in the project, and I don't think we have to reach 10,000. Maybe we reach 10,000 wallets already, guys. So we're on our way to 20,000 wallets. So when we reach 100,000 wallets and those numbers keep on rising, the staking rewards will be much less. But you can always say that they will be permanent and they will be there for a long time. For a long time, we have it for a long time. So it's in place, the algorithm is in place to make sure the staking feature will be in place for a very, very long time. And also the Onix coin will have another feature where we will have it wrapped and it will be accessible on other chains. You can be able to store your Onix on your MetaMask wallet or your Binance chain wallet, for example, and etc. if you have Cardano. So we'll be working on also that, where you can store your Onix coin on other wallets. If you feel safe, you want to put all your assets on one location, you can also do that, which in sense will also give you access to purchase Onix coin from other platforms that have Binance and Ethereum incorporated. So that'll be another use case for the Onix coin, guys. Let's move on to the next slide here, where we talk more about the blockchain financial and the marketplace in cooperation with the Onixcoin blockchain, and basically how this blockchain will sustain itself, and it wouldn't need what we call subsidies or sponsorship to maintain the price. It will always have a revenue stream, whereas they can use the income and the revenue to buy back a percentage of the Onix coin every month, to make sure the prices always have good floor. Basically, the floor will always remain a decent price, and this is why this feature is in place. So let's break this down here, guys. Let's start off with the army of crypto pay to earn aspect, the revenue stream that will be coming from that. The main revenues that Onixcoin will be receiving from any play to earn game that get incorporated. It'll be the NFT sales. Any sales are purchases from the NFT marketplace. As you said earlier, we'll be purchasing in Onix. And in this game, Army of Crypto, there's also a feature where you can get insurance for your NFTs. And this will also, you can purchase using Onix. So there's another fee that you can get from, there's another fee Onixcoin Blockchain gets from the AOC pay to earn game. And also there's another income revenue stream from the game is transaction fees. This is from the game itself and play to earn aspect itself. The transaction fees in terms of swapping assets, NFTs, sending money in and out of your account for the game, all that stuff, the fees for that, basically the gas fees for all that stuff. And the other aspect that we can earn from the AOC game, but by using the blockchain financial exchange, as you can see here, and the marketplace. But as you say, it's a peer-to-peer marketplace like Craigslist, where you can just upload eBay, you can just put your stuff up there and ask for any currency, mostly Onix. I think this exchange also accepts BTC, LTC, and other major currencies also. And whereas you can swap your Onix for that currency if you really want it on the BCF exchange. So there's many features that the exchange does. But let's just stick to the ad streams that you'll be getting from the BCF marketplace. As you can see on this right hand side here, the average person can just list items, can list my phone, my laptop, I list it on BCF exchange and say what 100 Onix for example. This ad for this phone and this laptop will be pushed on the game, and we popped up on a small little icon, maybe on a screen where it's not bothering you much, and you can either choose to purchase it if you're Onix and it will go to your shopping cart, or you can remove that ad and maybe another ad that is relevant to you will come up another time. Another feature, maybe you will have to select your likes and your preferences in the BCF exchange, so what type of things you're looking for, or what type of ads you want, or which type of ads you don't want. So another example is basically flights to another country. This is another digital product. Everything is done online, so you can basically get a special deal by purchasing via Onix, or you can purchase to get the discount. The discount will be awarded because you were purchasing via Onix, for example. So by purchasing with Onix, you will get a discount on flights to a certain destination from a certain travel agent, for example. So that's another feature you will get. All this information will be pushed to the ads and promo section API, and we push to the game, and all these things will be displayed to you based on your geolocation and your preferences. Also, another example of things that can be listed on the exchange are software. For example, this software here, Trinklet, is even free. You can try it for free for 15 days. So you can even sign up for this. Like this type of offers from via the games. So maybe only via the game you get the 15-day free trial. And if you go direct to another sources, maybe you have to pay directly. But because of the AOC and the blockchain financial partnership and the Onixcoin partnership, you'll be getting discounts like this, where you get maybe free 15 days for free on certain softwares and stuff. So there'll be lots of partnerships in the future, guys. We're on Onixcoin will have many utilities, many reasons for you to hold and keep Onix outside of the play to earn gaming. There's another way to defeat the Onixcoin blockchain. Before we move on to that, smart contracts and project integration. Each purchase and sale, as you see, the ads get pushed here. If you click or you purchase any of the stuff and it goes to your shopping cart, it goes to the blockchain financial shopping cart, which you can also access from the Onixcoin marketplace. When you complete the purchase, the commission from that sale, which will be agreed between blockchain financial and Onixcoin, that commission will be going to Onixcoin. So that's another revenue stream that Onixcoin will be getting away from the gaming itself. This is basically just from providing this platform for the ads to get access to the gamers. So that'll be a commission for each sale. They will get a steady income from that also. This will be able to subsidize the blockchain for gaming and keep some buy orders for the Onixcoin. Always keep some buy orders for the Onixcoin by using a percentage of the revenue. So let's get on to the last two things. You have the smart contract and project integration. This, guys, is basically for new projects trying to integrate onto the blockchain. Right now there's an incentive for the first 30 games that have an incentive to get 30,000 on it to be integrated onto the blockchain. But after this, guys, you will have to pay for smart contract integration. Even before, I think you will have to pay for assistance if you need technical assistance with the smart contract integration with the blockchain. There'll be some small fees for that, because our team will be available to help any new game trying to integrate onto the blockchain. You can have a new existing game, an old game, and you just want a smart contract to bring onto the Onixcoin blockchain. We can assist with that, and we have very affordable fees for any indie gamer that wants to get started. And there's even a special, I just mentioned this, is a special incentive right now for the first 29, because Army of Crypto is the first. So there's 29 more places available for indie game developers to bring your game to Onixcoin blockchain. And after qualifying and successfully integrating your game, you will get awarded with 30,000 Onixcoin, and that will be able to help you to boost your community and do a lot of stuff for your game, terms of promotion and a lot of stuff and giveaways and everything to build your game community. Another way Onixcoin is bringing in some revenue is from all on-chain transaction fees. For example, as we said earlier, there will be more than one game on the Onixcoin blockchain. For example, we have Army of Crypto, and we have several others. And for example, you want to trade Hertz for another gaming token on the exchange, the Onixcoin marketplace, for example, you swap. There will be transaction fees, and that transaction fees will be paid in Onix again. So every transaction made on the chain will be paid in Onix. So that's another revenue stream that will be maintained from growth for the chain. The more growth, the more on-chain fees you will get, and see everything will be good for the smart contract and project integration. I think there's also a subscription for database management and stuff for project integration. If you want someone to manage your database and server and stuff, or assistance with that, there are also packages that you can also buy to help your project to be stable and to have experience behind it. So yes guys, I hope this helped you to understand more about the Onixcoin blockchain and the ecosystem and the way you can use the Onixcoin and any other token on the Onixcoin blockchain, like the Hertz token, and the utility you have have direct access to swap for Onix at any time. And it's up for the developers of the game to add more utility to their coin and see what else is possible, because you never know, with more games maybe there's more things that are possible for this blockchain, guys. And it's in its junior stages, so there's a lot of more things to come. You should with more growth you can expect better partnerships and better deals from the marketplace and stuff. Be able to get some huge discounts even on maybe real estate and stuff, and renting a house and apartments. We don't know where this might go, but as the community grows, I'm sure that we can secure some nice partnerships and get some nice deals for you guys. And thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be bringing more information on all the projects I'm involved in, and stay tuned for more giveaways. And remember, there's one currently going on that you can check in my previous videos. There's instructions for how you can join that one. It's a giveaway for 50 Onix for my subscribers, so remember to subscribe to win any of my giveaways and have early access to the Onixcoin ecosystem and platform. And remember, the NFTs will be on sale very soon, guys. It'll be coming in Q3, so remember to stock up on your Onix. And remember, you can buy from other blockchain and blockchain financial exchange. And if you forget to remember, there's also ZX exchange. You can put the link in the description below. That's another exchange where you can buy Onix and trade Onix for several other top currencies. So you can make sure you get the link for that exchange also, guys. So you can buy your Onix from any of the two of these locations right now if you want to get involved and support the team and support the developers behind this and help the project to grow organically, guys. This is nothing that we're forcing on you. We're trying to prove the technology is solid, and you can check everything and check the white paper and the team behind it and see that a lot of work and a lot of dedication and thinking has been put into this project. And I'm very proud to be working with this team and being the game writer and also being a part of the whole ecosystem. And I'm happy to even explain this to you, because when I fully understood the ecosystem of Onixcoin, this is what made me work for this company, guys. The ecosystem is like revolutionary when it comes to crypto gaming and Web3 gaming. The problem with most of these games were not being able to sustain the price of the token, the tokenomics. But with this model, guys, this will set the tone for many other crypto games to come. Many other gaming blockchains, especially the ones like Gala Games and Wax blockchain, I will guarantee you that they will have the same model. As soon as you see this blockchain start to grow and become more widely known, they will use the same model. But it takes time to implement the marketplace and everything, and a lot of work has been done, guys, before this stage. So I'm very happy that we get to this stage now, that we can share all the utility we have at this point, and more will be coming in the future. And thanks again. And goodbye.